10 minutes. Just put 10 minutes.
All right, cool.
I'm gonna move you back down, all right, bro?
Yep.
I know my cousin was mad looking for this nigga.
I know he's sick, bro.
I know he was in that chat like, yo, where the fuck you at, bro? Stop hiding.
Gotta be so sick. Wait, so one more
But I
time
told
running
her he
back? I
tends-
think I gotta
he
get
tends
13
to-
or
he tends to
12?
do that a lot too. That
12.
walking.
Tate needs
Okay.
12 and Hades.
Hades
10.
is, I bet.
Man, same time, same corner. They
You
were.
can edit.
I
There we
can't.
go.
I can't.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't.
I think okay.
Yeah, I'll just tell him. I'll go. I'll tell him.
Yeah.
You heard it.
So it seems like Hades' pattern is
Mm-hmm.
pick a spot outside, then pick a spot inside. He goes outside, inside, outside, inside.
And
Watch,
that's how
he'll
babies
get
are
the
made.
Kill. Watch.
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 He said,
Get a
wax
kill,
on,
and then
wax
he's
off.
gonna run inside the house.
Wax on, wax off. I like what Tate's doing there though. He was holding angles.
Yep.
Fuck it. Play, play.
Yeah. I like that shit. I'm free camp behind Tate right now. Oh, I see them. Oh, look. They're
Here
gonna
we
be
go, here we
look.
go.
It's good.
There you go.
Shit, same
we go.
corner. Thought they was his corner.
Because he killed him in the bedroom last time.
window.
See, look, now he's,
Yes, he looked in the fucking house.
now he's in the
God,
house.
I'm scared, bro.
Timing.
Car time is inevitable,
Here
bro.
we go.
Oh, why did you stop shooting?
That was a bad miss. He wasn't even looking his
But if that was Phoenix hip firing, that would have landed.
Oh, yeah.
Is Hades still sitting in the garage? Oh,
Yep.
yeah. Okay.
Mm. Fuck that
Hades
wall
in the
up.
little fountain corner. Here we go.
He's not gonna read that spawn.
That was too close. Here we go.
I wonder how much difference the spawns would have been if it was free
In the
for all
bathroom?
versus
Yeah, he's in the
TDM.
middle.
Uh,
True.
But I wonder if he would have got spawned in the house.
We did free for all the other day, and that shit was.
Ooh, nice slide by
It's
Hades.
1v1, but just with free for all instead of
Game mode. Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
the spawns are
Just, I'm curious. Yeah. Oh my god.
Not for
Who knows
nothing.
who's
That
back there,
pool
bro?
corner is you get a lot of cover on that.
Yeah, it's nasty. Oh yeah. Oh, if you snake that shit too. Oh yeah,
What?
that's nasty.
You saw him? Yeah, he saw him. Oh, he's just shooting.
You saw him.
Oh yeah, he saw him.
Oh, now he's.
Alright, reposition. Oh!
Here we go. Hades gonna get him. Hades.
Damn.
That's right, don't stop shooting till they're dead.
Oh.
I told you.
Bro, damn.
Hades is one more.
The ring around the rosy.
How many kills did thought they have last game?
He needs 12.
Hades just needs one more.
Somebody's gotta go up there and let him
He
know.
had 3.
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, 3. Okay. So if this ends with him at 5, it's 8, 15.
Ooh, what was that?
He's shooting.
He's throwing shots down angle just in case.
I like it. Coming back.
Nah.
Checking
Let's see
corners.
Right here.
Read it.
Eee, that's it.
Damn.
Right there. 8 to 15.
Look at him shooting
Well,
there.
Hades like, that's it. It's over. Don't shoot me.
Gotta go. Wait, flag, bro.
Hades is like, no, that's it.